Hey, Andy here and welcome to this intro video. I just wanted to put an intro video together for the course to give you a bit of an overview about myself and exactly what you're going to learn from taking this course today. I've been doing video SEO now for many years. I've built a local video SEO agency helping local business owners get more video exposure and driving phone calls to them businesses. Also, I've done affiliate marketing, put courses together with video, and also CPA. Now in this course we're going to show you exactly how you can build your own affiliate empire with video and drive traffic from them videos through your affiliate links. You make sales, you make a commission, and also build lists, build an email list. Now you've probably heard the saying before, the money is in the list. Well, for sure, with the power of video, driving to the affiliate links and also building that list as well, you're going to build an asset of buyers. Now you are going to need a few things through this course. You're going to need some hosting. Now hosting's pretty cheap. You can get it for around $1 a month. You're going to need some landing page creation tool, again fairly cheap, and you're going to need an autoresponder, something like Aweber. Now once you've got those things in place, we're going to show you in the course exactly how you can use them and build funnels out from video and put it all on autopilot and start making sales through affiliate links. This case study through this course is all based around Jvzoo, but you can use the same strategy on any of the affiliate networks. So I really look forward to you getting involved in the course, and I'll see you through the course. Anything you need, do feel free to reach out. I'm always here. I'm in Udemy daily or the Facebook group, and I can answer any questions you get stuck with. But by the end of this course, you're going to be able to go out and build your own affiliate video empire and start making sales through affiliate links. So take care for now, guys, and I will see you guys through the course.